Okay guys, we are going to do another drawing. I have a picture I took in Seaside, Oregon at the beach. And again, we're going to try to mostly, if not completely, look at the photo and not at what we're doing. I'm really enjoying the process. It kind of helps me let go of any sort of trepidation I have about trying to be perfect at what I'm doing, because you really can't. You really can't. This is about just not being perfect. And it's a picture of a seagull, in case you didn't know that. Just chilling and hanging out on the beach. They're all over the place in Seaside. Along with elk. We were recently just there and saw some elk, which was wonderful. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's grab a pen, and I think I want to do dark gray. I have a 0.1. Sorry about that. We will start with the 0.1. Make sure the camera's actually on. Actually, I take that back. We're going to start with the 5. We're going to just go with the 5. We will look more at the drawing than at the picture when we go over it with pen, and kind of preserve the marks that we like. Now, in case you haven't noticed yet, I do not erase any of this. I leave all the marks, all the pencil scribbles. You, of course, can do it differently, and you can be more perfect about it than I am. The idea is just to get some drawing practice. I will include a copy of the photo in my Patreon. I think I want to use the gray brush pen for some parts. Going over some parts that I really want to have stand out. Okay. Next, we are going to take our watercolors and a water brush. And we're going to start with a yellowy color. A little bit of orange to that. Okay. I have some gray here. Need it to be a little bit darker. These don't take long, they're very short and quick. Starting with things from nature, i.e. flowers and plants, probably is, well, I know for me, but I think for most people it's probably a little bit easier because you really can be very imperfect about it, and really, honestly, nobody's gonna know except you. Some dark brown to the dark gray. Yeah, that works. And just keep adding color and shapes to it until I'm satisfied. Now, I don't have to do much up here because his head's white, but what I'm gonna do is get him wet. And there's a little bit of like paint on my brush. And we're gonna just stain like the shadows. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of darker color here. A little bit of the lighter up here. He's standing on the sand. Do I want to do that? Maybe a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna make a like grayy, browny, sandy something. That's our printer. That means Mr. Bob is paying bills or something.
Well, it's warm in here now.
And now you're on camera, Mr. Bob.
Am I?
Yeah, your voice anyway.
Oh, good.
Told you he was paying bills, you guys.
Paying bills. Ugh.
Yeah, we got another speeding ticket from Italy. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. Normally I put whatever I'm going to write on it at the bottom, but I think we're going to do it at the top. I like that. Does he look exactly like the picture? No. Do I like it anyway? Yes. There we go. There's another drawing done and in the can, in the bag. So if I can do it, you can do it. They're not all going to turn out perfectly, and that's okay. Have fun with it and enjoy the process. That's it for right now. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.